Hi there! In this short tutorial we are going to learn how to fit Excel cells in one page. As you see, at the moment we cannot print all our data to one page. It prints what is in this order. And next one is into the next page. How to fix it and how we can print it all to one page. So, let's do it. Go to Page Layout. And here is Page Setup. In the Scaling section, check the Fit to and leave it one by one. Let's check it. Now it's only one page. We can also change orientation. Change it to Landscape mode. Now it's okay. One more thing. In case, if you need more zoom, you can change its margins here. We hope you like it and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion, whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!